Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about IPC, that is Indian Penal Code, and CRPC, that is Criminal Procedure Code, their definitions and the key differences between them. The IPC determines the definition of crime, while the CRPC informs about the criminal investigation process. Indian Penal Code is the law that states the punishable offences in India along with their punishments or penalty or both. As opposed, Criminal Procedure Code pertains to the law that describes the overall procedure which is to be followed while undertaking a criminal case. Nowadays, everywhere in the newspapers, news channels, and other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, etc., we come to know about the criminal activities that take place in our area or country, such as rapes, murders, thefts, accidents, cyber attack, terrorist activities, and so forth. To provide justice to the victims, every country has enforced certain laws for punishing the wrongdoer. IPC and CRPC are two such laws which are created during the British Raj in India, which help the plaintiff to get justice. Every crime with its punishment are well defined and written in the Indian Penal Code, and the criminal trial procedure are covered and well described under the Criminal Procedure Code. Indian Penal Code versus Criminal Procedure Code. First, we'll discuss the comparison chart, the definitions, the key differences, and finally the conclusion. First, comparison chart. Basis for comparison. Meaning of Indian Penal Code. Indian Penal Code or IPC refers to the basic criminal law enforced in the country to cover all sort of criminal activities and provide remedy to them. Whereas CRPC, Criminal Procedure Code, implies the law enforced in India for regulating criminal law procedure that should be followed during a criminal case. Type. IPC is a substantive type of law, whereas CRPC is procedural law. Objective. Objective of IPC is to provide common penal code and CRPC to strengthen the law concerning criminal procedure. Role of IPC. It lists out various crimes and their punishments, whereas CRPC, it lays down the steps that are followed for a criminal case. Definition of Indian Penal Code, IPC. Indian Penal Code, popularly known as IPC, is the primary criminal law of India that takes into account every material aspect of the criminal law. It was enacted in the year 1862 during the British period. Since then, it has been amended many times. It defines all possible crimes and the related punishments that can take place in the country. The code was divided into 23 chapters, which encompasses 511 sections, covering different types of offences, penalties, punishments, and exceptions. Under this code, the punishments are divided into 5 major sections, that is, death, imprisonment for life, general imprisonment, forfeiture of property, and fine. The law applies to every individual who is an Indian origin except the person belonging to Indian Army, as they cannot be charged as per IPC. Definition of Criminal Procedure Code, CRPC. Criminal Procedure Code can be described as the fundamental law on the procedure for the regulation of criminal law in India. It is concerned with the set of rules that administer the series of proceedings that take place during a criminal offence. Criminal Procedure Code aims at providing the proper mechanism for the imposition of criminal law in the country by setting up the necessary machinery for arresting criminals, investigating cases, presenting criminals before the courts, collecting evidence, determining the guilt or innocence of accused, imposing penalties or punishments on the accused. In short, it describes the entire procedure for investigation, trial, bail, interrogation, arrest, and so on. Further, it lays down the classes of criminal courts, that is High Court, Court of Session, Judicial Magistrate of the first class, Judicial Magistrate of the second class, Executive Magistrate, wherein different types of offences are brought for trials. Besides these courts, Supreme Court have the ultimate power. Moreover, there is a limit of sentence which these courts can pass. Key differences between Indian Penal Code and Criminal Procedure Code. The following points can explain the difference between Indian Penal Code IPC and Criminal Procedure Code CRPC. Indian Penal Code, shortly known as, pertains to the fundamental criminal law enforced in the country that considers all types of criminal activities and provides justice to them. Unlike Criminal Procedure Code, or otherwise known as CRPC, connotes the law enforced in India for governing criminal law procedure that is required to be followed during a criminal lawsuit. Indian Penal Code or IPC is a type of substantive law, whereas Criminal Procedure Code is a procedure in nature. The primary purpose of Indian Penal Code is to provide a general penal code in the country for giving punishments to the wrongdoers. On the other extreme, the main motive of Criminal Procedure Code is to consolidate the criminal law in the country. IPC lays down all the possible crimes and their punishments and penalty. Conversely, CRPC determines the procedure to be followed during litigation. Finally, we come to the conclusion. Both the two laws apply to the whole country except in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, while IPC defines the criminal offence along with the penalties for the same. CRPC states the process for undertaking the legal criminal charge along with the conviction or acquittal of the defendant. The criminal law procedure is a complementary law to the primary criminal law. That's all for now. Hope you all liked the video. This was my effort to explain the meaning and differences between IPC and CRPC. Thank you.